get noticed in this 2007 Toyota Tacoma. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, and AM/FM stereo. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.